Good afternoon, everyone, and sorry for keeping you all awake. We do understand the timeline, and we do understand that most of you have been waiting for this particular session to happen on time. Due to certain technical glitches, our clients from Bhavisha Properties have been delaying to log in, and they have promised us to actually log in right in time, probably in another 5-10 minutes. Now, in the meanwhile, we will go ahead and have a brief discussion about what exactly this live event is all about, and then we will also go ahead and see or view the entire property of Babusha that they are actually trying to promote on a housing platform, and we will have a look at the entire interior and exteriors of these properties as well. Now, I'm your host, Pradeep. On behalf of housing.com, I would like to welcome you all. And I would also want to understand that, all you and your family, everybody is safe during this pandemic situation, and you all are actually staying happy and having a healthy life. Thank you so much for joining in. We have been really delighted to actually conduct this first ever online live expo event on behalf of housing.com, which is called as Mega Home Utsav. Now, during this event, we will be showcasing the entire properties of Bhavisha, and we will also go ahead and give you a sneak peek of what exactly the properties will provide you, and we are also going ahead and giving an insight as to what exactly the properties will provide or come with. Now, in the meanwhile, when I'm actually going ahead and showcasing the entire properties and giving you a glimpse of what exactly the visuals of the properties will look like, please go ahead and mention or have certain questions. If in case the panelists join in, I will go ahead and get all those questions answered by them in the meanwhile. And also, if in case we have certain questions in place, not to worry, we will get them back to you, and you can leave your contact details as well. Or at the end of the session, I'm going to leave the contact details of the concerned people in from Bhavisha Properties. You can directly get in touch with them to have or to raise any queries that you have from the client itself. Now, let's start off with understanding what Bhavisha Properties is all about and what exactly we do during this entire situation. Now, housing.com has been promoting events and conducting events for a period of time, and we have been successful actually in engaging with a lot of builders and developers for quite some time now. It's been almost more than 8 years that housing.com is in place, and we have been actually going ahead and helping a lot of builders, developers, and brokers engage with a lot of customers directly. Now, even though we have been engaging with a lot of client base, but we still wanted to take it a step further, so we have actually come up with this live event, which is the first ever done by any online platform on real estate. And for this particular industry, we are the number one in actually conducting this entire event and bringing a live expo direct to your doorstep. So we will have a glimpse of what exactly we will be viewing in terms of the properties. So let's have a look at it and let's see what exactly is in store for you. Just a moment, please. Play ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಹ್ಮ್ Now we did see actually the entire video that our client actually wanted us to actually go ahead and portray and give you a glimpse of what are the key aspects and the location and what exactly is the nearby location and the properties available apart from the Bhavisha properties. Now we will go ahead and have a look at the entire digitour, the live digitour of the interior and the exterior of that particular project, which housing.com has actually prepared only for you. So apart from this video, we now will go ahead and look at the digitour. That's a AR VR digitour, and which will give you a glimpse of what exactly is to be expected from this property right away. Just a second, everyone. So this is your live digitour that housing.com has actually gone ahead and prepared only for you. Now, as we go ahead and see and look at the entire entrance, and we get to understand as to what exactly is available for us, we will go ahead and try to understand as to what is something that can be expected from this particular project as well. So this is your entrance of Bhavisha Properties for Bentley Greens. This is the driveway and also the parking space available for that particular project for everybody's view. This is the badminton court, which is made of turf, and that is actually right in between the parking space. And we also have a yoga room in place, so that will actually suffice the entire fitness material. And apart from that, we also have central courtyard in place for most of you to kind of relax during your evenings. Well, in fact, we have two central courtyards available here with us. We also have a gym facility available, which will kind of keep you engaged during your evenings. And plus, what we saw in the video, likewise, this is exactly what you get from Bhavisha Properties with a amphitheater, along with a senior citizen park as well. We also do have a children play area, which will provide you a deep insight as to what is expected out of this particular property. And then we also have an outdoor gym area. We also have a cricket practice pitch. So a lot of facilities has been provided, and we also have been providing, with a glimpse of what exactly has to be expected from Bhavisha Bentley Greens. If in case any of you have any questions regarding to this particular property and you want to directly get in touch with anyone from Bhavisha Bentley Green, I would be more than happy to go ahead and share those details of the client by the end of the session, and we will also go ahead and discuss a lot more things. If in case you want to actually raise any query to us, you can go ahead and post your query at the chat box right at the bottom of the screen. Or if you want to directly want to get in touch with the client directly, I'll actually go ahead and provide you the client's email ID along with their phone number. And also I will go ahead and ensure that if there is any personal queries you want me to pass on to the client, I can actually also go ahead and do that. So in the meanwhile, if you have any queries, please go ahead and post it directly so that I can get in touch with the client and go ahead and request them to answer a few queries, or else I can actually go ahead and give you that information as mentioned earlier as well. Okay, now we have Rashmita Mahapatra, who has actually requested us, stating that what kata is this property. I will get in touch with Mr. Vamshi here, and who's the senior manager for Bhavisha Properties, and I'll ensure that he'll directly get in touch with you. And or else, as I informed you, I'll share the number with him. with you as well, so that you can directly talk to him and get this information clarified for you, ma'am. Well then, um, with request to this entire event, first of all, and finally, I would also like to thank all of you for joining for this particular event, and I'm extremely sorry for the delay in this event, and we would be going ahead and showcasing most of the information along with all the questionnaires that you are raised. Now we have one more questions from Ms. Nikita, who claims to want to understand that what's the price for 2 BHK. Definitely, ma'am. We'll get in touch with Mr. Vamshi, and we can directly share this query with him right away in some time, right? Let me go ahead and share the screen of our client, the phone number and email ID, so that we can directly have an interaction with them. Well, guys, it looks to be a last minute surprise here. We have Mr. Vamshi Kiran here, who is the senior sales manager of Bhavisha Properties. Well, Mr. Vamshi, better late than never. You're there online with us. I'm really thankful and happy to see you here.
Yeah, finally joined
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. It's finally here, and we have a lot of queries from
Mhm.
our customers itself, right?
Yep.
So I would like to ask a couple of queries from our customers quickly, so that there
Mm.
is one of our clients or customers by name Rashmita. Uh,
Okay.
she wants to understand, what kata is this property?
Okay. So I will tell you this will we received approval from the BMRDA approval and
BMRDA, okay?
BC it equal to the BBMP and we are providing as per the BMRDA it will be e-kata, electric kata.
It's a e-kata, right?
E-kata then it will be equal to A. Due to this approvals, BMRDA we are providing E, but it is equal strength to A kata.
E-kata, ठीक है. And we have one more query from Miss
Mm,
Nikita, and
mm,
the query is, what's the price for 2
mm,
BHK?
mm. So here we have a 2 BHK start from 887 SFT. It will be cost around 29 lakhs, all
Mhm.
include except registration cost and negotiable.
Okay, okay, right. And is there any 2.5 BHK available? A query raised by one more customer of ours.
No, currently we don't have. So right now construction is going on. Is there any possibility? If client visit the property, then we'll contact our site engineer. Is there any possibility we can do that modification and we'll hand it over? No issue in that. But client
Okay.
has to come to here. As per his requirement, we will help out to him.
And one of our customers again, raised a query stating that is it RERA approved?
Yeah, we already received our RERA. So you can
Okay.
go to the online, you can check it. So
Okay.
we have RERA approval certificate, everything with us.
Right. So, Mr. Vamshi, what I'll be doing is, just to have a better understanding of the project, I've already, showcased the entire Digitour about, what exactly to expect from that particular project, right?
Okay.
So I'll be going ahead and, sharing the screen and, playing the Digitour again.
Okay.
Request you to please go ahead and, explain about this property and all the facilities available so
Sure.
that, it'll become much more easy for all of us
Sure,
to
sure.
understand about the property from you itself. You are who better from knowing from the man himself. Just a second, sir.
Sure.
So this is the Digitour wherein we are. This is the entrance of the property here, and
Drive.
this is the driveway. So for the entire information of our customers, like what is the parking space available and how much of car parking or bike parking could be provided.
So we are providing 8 by 12 as a car and bike. You can easily park in that space, and it is we are providing below their flat only block.
Mm-hmm.
So we are probably give a standard size of 8 by 12, or else it might be 8 by 14. This is the maximum we can provide, but
Okay.
one car and one two-wheeler will easily fit in that space.
Right, sir. Right, sir. And the best part, which I actually liked about, this entire property was this one thing, the badminton court. Now, this is one thing, which kind of, makes it awe to all our customers because, they would definitely want to take that, leisure time to keep their fitness level. I'm sure, you have a lot more things coming up in this property apart from the badminton court. But, badminton being, one of my favorite sports as well. So is this a turf made or what exactly will be this?
No, still we didn't get about this course, and we are providing, but which type of thing still we didn't take any decision on that.
Okay.
So we are providing almost 25 plus amenities here, not only the badminton.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Being almost 25 plus amenities, what we mention in the brochure, the same
Mm.
thing will appear in the project itself.
Right. Because I also see that, apart from, the badminton court, which is rightly available near the parking space, we also have a yoga room as well. This is something, an
Hmm.
amazing thing, which can be provided to anyone who's going to, go ahead and, expect a lot of fitness thing
Correct.
from the property itself.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. So this location wise also, this will be very peaceful location. This
Right, sir.
location suits for villas actually.
Mm-hmm.
So we have completed the villas as well here. So this is a very peaceful and pollution less
Mm-hmm. Okay.
atmosphere here. So
So, this central courtyard that
hmm,
we
hmm.
have here, it actually, looks more like, a place where everybody can, in the evening can catch up and, like a small cafe shop. I like the entire idea of, having a wooden bench and, wooden table there.
Hmm.
Could you actually tell us, what kind of wood is actually, used to prepare this?
So normal thing in the parking, those type of
Right.
we are using here. So we are
Okay.
providing with benches and as well as some garden area. So this area we are giving in between the space of B block. So there
Right.
will be 40 to 45 feet distance. So it will be more spacious. We are providing you.
Okay. Okay, sir. And this is the gym. I
Yeah,
believe,
gym.
the most enthusiastic energy builders would definitely go ahead and would like to actually work
Yeah.
on the entire property available there,
Hmm, hmm,
right?
hmm. Right.
So will all the equipments and will all the facilities be available during the launch, or how exactly will it happen?
Yeah, we are providing this handle with the fully equipment. Whatever the latest equipment is available in the market, the same thing will provided to the all the clients.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
So it will be slightly modern also we are planning right now.
Mm-hmm.
So equipment in the market, the current scenario. So we are providing
Absolutely.
all the equipment to all the clients.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful, sir. And for all the creative enthusiasts, for the theater experts, I think this amphitheater, is an amazing thing.
Hmm,
Probably
hmm.
it brings a kind of, bonding between, the entire colony of, Bentley Greens.
Yes.
And it provides a kind of a time wherein, everybody can join in, bring in their creative side. And, this is a wonderful thing, you have come up with, sir, with an amphitheater here.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
I- Was there a specific reason as to, why there is a senior citizen park and, also a children's park?
Yeah, it is there. Usually nowadays, there will be a separate senior citizen park. The children's play area is different, and senior
Mm-hmm.
citizen require some peaceful
Right.
environment. And we are providing some organic plants over there, so they will
Mm-hmm.
around,
Mm-hmm.
and they will breathe that air. It will be helpful for their health and everything. So we
Okay.
are putting slightly some organic plants over there in
Mm-hmm.
the citizen park, especially. So they will sit and they will be getting a fresh air, everything. So children's play area and parking is different, and senior citizens we are planning this type of park to them.
Right, because we have a wonderful children's play area also. It is nothing less than any other play area that is actually available for public outside, right? But you have a wonderfully constructed children's play area as well here.
We have a bigger area here, so we have a more space for better amenities.
Right,
So we already equipped, and we are providing outdoor gym also. Not even
right,
in
sir.
the outdoor gym also we are equipped over there.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely fantastic, sir. And for most of the cricket lovers, and what better than having a cricket net itself. Probably this is one place, having a constraint of all the space, and because of which there are a lot of kids who do not have that much amount of space like a cricket ground right now, in Bangalore or
Uh,
anywhere. It's an amazing thing that you have come up with this concept of having a cricket pitch itself, so that
hmm.
they can actually have that enthusiastic moment of having a practice session to all the go-getters of becoming a Virendra Sehwag or a Sachin Tendulkar in the future as of now.
Might be. Nowadays, people are going to these clubhouses and all, they are paying for what they are playing here. There over there.
Mhm. Absolutely correct, sir. Correct.
So for that reason, we are provided two cricket pitches here. So because of demand, we provided here. So all amenities will be bigger amenities. We are not even giving 10 feet or like that. So it might be larger one only with more spacious. It's not any congested. You felt
Mhm.
any. So it will be slightly free feel.
Right, sir. Right, sir. And simultaneously, you have also made some space for basketball court as well.
So,
And
yeah.
that's one more amazing thing. Amenities, I think you're never short of amenities here. With a wonderful swimming pool also,
Swimming
for
pool
both the elders as well as the kids as well. And
as
that's
well.
that's a well planned oval shape, designer swimming pool, and a small round circled swimming pool for kids. We do
Correct.
understand the kind of enthusiasm all the kids would be, and also a place for senior members to actually join along with their kids too, and you have a place there for them as well, right?
Yes.
Now this is what Digitour was all about, right? And we were actually discussing a lot about the property as an exterior, and what exactly are some of the options that are available for us. We will also go ahead and have a look at the Digi Light, right?
Hmm.
Please do let me know if this is one of those properties, that would actually suffice in explaining the entire, the interiors now. So probably, that will be more helpful here.
Okay.
Now, this is what we have, right? This is your entrance area,
Yeah, this is
right?
the
And
flat.
now this is your entrance, and this is exactly what provides this is the living area,
Correct. Living
right?
area.
Yeah. So is there any kind of a design that you have chosen for the wall, or for the flooring as well, or the kind of wood that is actually used?
Correct. That the client, if you are okay with that, so we are providing that. But usually we are giving flooring will be normal flooring only. So
Hmm.
you want to prefer any wooden flooring or up to, so
Right,
we will,
right, right.
so there will be option for them.
Okay. And this is the passage one, which actually connects to the kitchen and the bedroom, and also to
Correct.
the dining area as well, right?
Hmm. Yes.
And we have this wonderfully constructed kitchen right here, and this actually gives a hint as to for all the women out there who wants to have a look at the kind of interiors that you can expect, and what exactly will be provided to you. Now this is exactly what Bhavishya Bentley Greens promises, and that's exactly what they're going to deliver. This is not a digital video that I'm showcasing right now. The video that you everyone on this particular screen here, whoever is actually attending this particular session, everyone would like to I would like to clarify that this is a live video that is actually prepared for Bhavishya Bentley Greens, and this is something that you can expect once you're there. And you get a separate drying area also, because you don't have to kind of walk up the stairs, or walk outside to actually dry your clothes. It's an amazing a place that is actually provided with a drying area as well. So bedroom one, sir, could this be understood as your master bedroom?
Yeah, that will be.
Okay, and is that a wooden flooring that is actually provided in the master bedroom, sir?
No, just we are not. Just for design we have provided. If any client is required particularly, then there will be an option for them to provide.
Okay, so if actually if I'm a client, and if I want to actually choose this as a flooring, so I can actually inform you and get it done as well.
Yeah, sure. You have to inform us. See, most of the clients, some client might like this wooden floor, and some client may go for granite. So up to them. Just for an idea, we provided here. So if any client particularly they require, so
Mhm.
definitely provide that.
Absolutely, absolutely. So that was your master bedroom, and then this is your attached bathroom,
Correct.
right?
Hmm.
And this is the dining area that we are talking about. A time for you and your family to all sit together, have your dine and fine.
Correct.
And there is an attached balcony as well.
Yeah, it will be actual project. It will be open to open one side. So we are
Uh-huh.
providing that one railing and balcony. So here
Okay.
it is closed. Don't feel that it might be closed in the project as well. No, it will
Okay.
be open. So due to security reasons, we closed that balcony in the model
Okay.
house. But
Okay.
we
The
10 by
balcony is closed only for security reasons, right?
correct.
Okay.
Here we closed in the model house. Don't get confused. Actual flat it will be open one side.
Mm-hmm. Fine, sir. Absolutely, absolutely right. And this is bedroom two that is actually available. Looks like a place for your kids, and
Yeah,
probably anybody else who would want to join your family at a later stage.
correct.
And we also have one common bathroom as well. Okay,
Hmm.
that's really wonderful. Apart from the attached bathroom, and then we are getting into the
Yes,
bedroom
bro.
three. So this is a 3 BHK property, ideally,
Correct.
right? And this is the construction area, which
Yeah.
is the surrounding of that particular construction area. And this is the
Hmm.
street, and what exactly is expected, and the entire location. This is what we have for you.
Just that road, I have to tell one more. So
Mhm.
this road is provided by the builder only. This is the 60
Okay.
cement road. So there will
Okay.
be not in under the government. So this is road is provided by the builder. This is the
Okay.
60 cement road. And the next to us only we have a property completed one is Bhavisha Urban Homes.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
that is also completed one. If anybody want to see our quality, how we delivered after, so you can
Mm-hmm.
comment. They can easily identify what we are providing, which type of quality, and what amenities we have provided.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir. Okay.
show it here. I'm not telling you in the brochure the same
Mm.
thing. I cannot tell them. So here they have might be some live kind of amenities, everything.
Mm.
As well as we are planning this Bhavisha Bentley Greens and phase two, it's kind of a colony. We are not telling this is an apartment. We
Okay.
are providing the better security here. This is kind of gated community we are planning here.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. That's absolutely wonderful, sir, in terms of, the entire information that you provided. And, thank you so much for joining us. And one final question before we let you go. One of our, attendees here for this particular session, his name is Mr. Kunal Kumar. Okay.
Okay.
He's been waiting for quite a long time.
Okay.
So, he also wants to understand, what is the procedure to acquire home loans?
So here we tie up with banks like SBI, HDFC, Tata Capital.
Okay.
So if client will go ahead for the loan, we are providing a loan. If it is 2 BHK, is the
Mm.
down payment 10%, the rest 90 which is the bank loan. If it is 3
Right.
BHK, 3 is to 80. So we can go ahead and in a normal way.
Okay. Okay, sir. So one final question, apart from, the location, very specific where the project is coming.
Mm-hmm.
No, there is a question also raised by, one of the attendees. They want to understand as to, what are the nearby, projects that are actually going to come up, or, what exactly is available in the nearby location, so that, how easy it is to commute. I have
Okay.
gone ahead and, played a video before you could join. We had a,
Mm,
live, drone video that was available with us, and we have played that. But still, they want to hear it from you. That's why.
I will tell you. So this project is located mainly Sompura Gate. So
Okay.
this Sompura Gate is located close to Sarjapura.
Right.
So from Domasandra Circle, it will be 3 kilometers, and then
Okay.
after you will find this Sompura. After Sompura 3 kilometers, you find main Sarjapura Circle. So this
Mm-hmm.
Sompura is located exactly in between Domasandra and Sarjapura. So here, location-wise, this will be the Kadagra village. So nearby, you find many hospitals and schools. If you go Domsandra, it's just a 5 minutes drive from here. So you find many international schools and hospitals. I mean, it is going to say that it is going to be a developed area.
Mm-hmm.
So location-wise, this is the location. So closer by, you find many shops, everything, and DMart is not even 1 kilometer from my property. So already this location, reputed builders like Brigade and Prestige and Copernica already they constructed many buildings here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we are also part of in this. So I am already told you next to this property we have completed Bhavisha Urban Homes. That is not a
Okay.
small. This will be the 3 acre. We delivered 320 units here. So just opposite to this Bhavisha Urban Homes, we have completed row villas also. That will be
Okay.
30 row villas. So this is the next to us what we have in this
Okay.
location. So distance wise, just Decathlon is just 6 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
And the electronic city who are staying over there, that will be 12 to 14 kilometers. So
Okay.
within half an hour range, you can reach out to Belandur or electronic city, Marathalli.
Mm.
So bus, these facilities also very frequent here.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Vamshi, to joining us for this particular live event tour. And I hope that, you enjoyed this session, and, we were able to actually grab the entire, information from you to actually go ahead and, make it more easy for our participants as well. Participants, thank you so much for staying online, and thank you so much for having that patience and trust upon us to actually go ahead and to gain the utmost information that we were able to actually provide you. Now, as I promised you, and as I stated earlier, by the end of this session, I'm going to share the information, I know, like the contact information of Bhavisha Properties, and email ID of Mr. Vamshi himself. You can directly get in touch with them. You can call him directly and gain more insight about the property, and they'll be more than happy to guide you through the entire information about the project as well. Thank you, Mr. Vamshi. Thank you
Thank
all. It was a pleasure, having all of you here. Have a great day, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.